Hi, welcome to milsimjunkie.com. My name is RNS, and we're here at SC Village playing on the SC VIPER field. I'm here with Freddie Wongs. You guys know him as
Spartan 117 GW.
And we're playing here, enjoying some airsoft. And let's see what kind of carnage we can do.
milsimjunkie.com, baby.
3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Go, 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 go. Second story. Top four. Third window. I got this building. Upstairs. I go in the back here. Grab the bed. They're in that building directly across from us. Down. Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down. Window, stay down. You got contact my right. You're right? Yeah, we'll just watch that second. Watch right, watch right. Oh shit. Over here is one on the other side of this truck. Right side.
That's embarrassing.
Ooh. Oh, nice, nice, nice! Tell me when you're up! Contact right! You're down, Steve? Inside! Steve, where you at? Downstairs. Okay, let's make a raid for the back. They're at the bed. Right's clear. Moving straight. You got contact by right. Got him. Coming in. Mark, you gotta come over here. True story. CO2?
Yeah? No, CO2 gas.
Is it rocked and ready to go? Fucking.
You're good. Nice hit, bro. Nice hit.
In memorandum of our trip, I present you with the SC Village Airsoft patch.
Oh, thank you very much, milsimjunkie.
A memorandum of our trip here.
Oh, sweet, man. Oh, damn. Where'd you get these from? There you go, from the...
Yup.
Thanks, man. Hey, it was good.
Thank you, sir.
Hey.
What's up? Oh, nice.
Boom. Alright, welcome to milsimjunkie.com, and that man that there's cursing right now.
That what? That was not me.
With a little extra, what is that, Taco Bell on his beard?
Don't.
Yeah, can I get this?
Can you get it? Thank you. It's just come on, guys. You let me talk all this time with food in the beard.
I didn't know he was gonna turn on the camera, man. That's on him.
I thought you were saving it for later.
It doesn't matter if the camera's on or not. It's just it's a respect issue. Like,
So
hey,
we're
guys,
playing over.
Coffee BBs? Like, these are like the
Oh, it's the Milsim Max
mocha?
.32 BB.
So we're playing over here at SC Village, and obviously my voice is gone. We played one of the biggest games we've ever played so far.
There's a lot of footing it out there.
Two O's on. 2 O's.
Close quarters, possible, but that long engagement,
This is outdoors,
that's
baby.
where everybody's playing at right now. Long engagement.
Next sample. Okay.
Asian Colin Farrell, how's the gameplay been out there today?
I'm tired, but the game...
That has nothing to do with. Okay, there you go.
How many of you
There you go.
want to
R1S, milsimjunkie, the one and only.
I know I'm gonna get a 10 because just look at this, right?
You're looking pretty white right now. Get it. Oh, look at that, ladies and gentlemen.
Man, you need to go to quad.
The
real deal.
Come back black.
Real deal.
So expect to get 2 shades darker when you're out here.
That's good. Dude, Colin Farrell got lit up.
I did.
Dude,
Pretty bad.
are they using full auto out there? You
They
know
are.
it.
So Greg, this airsoft adventure, your Phantom Fury,
Yep.
been a success so far?
Well, it wasn't just airsoft. It was E3, MLGs, everything. It's been retardedly successful.
But this specific portion hasn't been
Oh
a
yeah,
success.
this is phase 3.
I think for this type of field, if you have a close-knit team and you guys communicate, you guys have your designated classes, succeed pretty well, especially how the buildings are laid out.
How is it playing with KWA Mike, for example?
Very vocal, gets everybody involved.
He knows what he's doing.
Definitely. The biggest thing, I mean, the kids out here, he's teaching them, like on the fly. He's suppressing and teaching at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mike is a great.
Definitely a leader. I'll tell you that much.
Tom Harris, for short.
You are the secret
He is a father. Today is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Tom.
story. After this, I'm gonna go home,
a barbecue. I'm gonna change some diapers. It's gonna be great.
You got a little baby Tominator.
Baby Tominator at home. It's quite the character.
And I guess you got another baby Tominator on the way?
Another baby Tominator on the way. You know, this beard. It's it
Keeps
does
turning
more.
out babies, huh?
Just down the coast a little bit.
You're taking it.
Oh, did I get one?
Yes, you've earned it today.
My award.
Your award for all the good effort. Okay, so people are wondering, why is now Tom all of a sudden wearing a sling?
At the last 30 seconds of the game, the ref shouted, there's 30 seconds left, and we had not yet captured the objective, which was the down pilot out of the ice cream truck, the tactical ice cream truck. And so I decided, well, I think the coast is clear enough. There's still some op-4, some tangos out on the field at concealed positions. I didn't know exactly where they were, so I just started running. And there's a very fine dust and dirt on the top, and on the just right underneath that is hard ground, and there's BBs out there, and basically it was a very slippery surface when you're running really quickly. And I tried to bank hard on a 90 degree. Thank you, Steve. Appreciate the support. Made a 90-degree turn on a dime, and the ground said no.
The ground said no.
I kind of just basically slipped and went face forward, and in order to prohibit my beautiful beard from getting any dirt on it, I stuck my left arm out, straight arm to ground, and used that to dislocate my shoulder.
There's a handful of people that I want to say shout outs to. First and foremost, the guys local to me. Next Level Tactical. I don't know what's going on with my voice. I want to say special thanks to Next Level Tactical, AIRSOFT Extreme, specifically the one in Torrance, DJ. Thank you very, very much. Echo One, hooking us with some shirts and a lot more stuff for you guys coming up.
Chris and Edward.
Oh, those guys are awesome.
Yeah.
Spartan Warrior, GW right here, Greg Wong. Yeah. 511. Thank you very much, gentlemen, folks over there local to me again. Modesto, California. 511tactical.com. Check them out. Special shout out to Insight Interactive. Special shout out to Tech City, North and South. Sunny, you've been very, very welcoming. And to all the great folks over here at SC Village. Very, very great. Shout outs to Ken, I'm sorry, over here. Very, very cool airsoft / paintball park. Many, many fields. I'm dirty because of it. I'm yelling quite a bit. We're coming into the final end of our trip here, and yeah, it's gonna be crazy.